Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Tiffany, and today I'm bringing you another episode of my wash and go series. I believe this is the fourth wash and go video now, so I hope you guys are enjoying this series. Thumbs it up if you are, and leave me suggestions down below of what you'd like to see next. Of course, I'm starting out with freshly washed, detangled, and deep conditioned hair. The tools I'm using are a modified Denman brush, a spray bottle, and hair clips, of course. And the product that I'm going to be reviewing today is the Camille Rose Naturals Curl Maker. I got a bunch of requests to review this next on my channel, so that's what we're going to do today. I believe I have tried this before, but honestly, I cannot remember if I liked it or not. I didn't repurchase it, so that may be a sign. But that was then, this is now. I hope I like it. I hope it gives me a good wash and go. Before we jump into styling, I want to talk about what I use to deep condition my hair today. I use the Aussie Smooth 3-minute deep treatment. I really like this stuff. I talked about the Aussie Moist 3-minute deep conditioner a couple videos back, and I decided to pick this up. I think I might like this even better than the Moist. I mean, this really it just really smooths out my hair. It takes away a lot of frizz, so I'm feeling it, and it only costs $3. Okay, let's jump right into styling. I'm gonna first start by sectioning my hair and working with one section at a time. So I'm gonna pin this one back, and like always, I'm going to work in small sections, and I like to start at the nape of my neck. So I'm gonna take about 2 pumps of the product, which looks like this amount. Have to see if it passes the smell test, guys. It's not horrible, but I don't love the smell, I'm gonna be honest. It doesn't have a strong scent, but it smells like soap to me, like hand soap, you know? What you use to wash your hands at the sink, that's what it smells like to me. So far, I like the way the product feels in my hands. It feels really moisturizing, and it has some stickiness to it, which I think is a good thing, so that my wash and go will have some hold to it. So I just go section by section, and I'll add water if I need to. Pump out the products, run it through my hands, and run it from roots to ends. You guys know the drill by now. Okay, styling complete. I am off to air dry for a couple of hours. Before I go though, I wanted to touch on a few things. I realized I wasn't really specific when it came to smell. It has a light citrusy scent, which some people may love, but I personally just do not like the scent of citrus. I don't like things that have a citrus scent. That's just me. So some of you may prefer it, but I do not prefer citrus smells, but it's very, very light and clean smelling. So it's really not bad at all. It's really not as bad as the Mael styling gel. Let's talk about price point really quickly. I picked this up at Target, and it cost about $23.99, which I was kind of blown away by, guys. I'm not gonna lie. I really did not want to pay that much for this product, mainly because I didn't know how it was gonna work. I mentioned earlier that I've used it before, but I do not know the results that I got from it. I just know that I didn't repurchase. You get about 12 ounces in this bottle for $23. I don't know the final verdict on how I feel about the price yet. It depends on how the product performs and how my wash and go looks after it's dry. But so far so good. I think we're off to a pretty good start. I have some great curl definition, which I love, of course. And it feels very sticky, which I hope will give me hold because I want this to last a full 7 days. And also I think it's doing a great job of clumping my curls together. I have some good clumps going on, which is what I look for really when it comes to my styling gel. I really want a product that's going to clump my curls together so that I don't have a stringy or ramen noodle look. You guys know what I mean. Okay, I will be back in a couple of hours to show you guys the final results. 8 hours later and I am back. My hair is completely dry at this point and it is 100% air dried. I did not use a diffuser and I am loving the results, guys. I like the way this product has given me like curl separation. My curls are really defined. I do feel like it gave me some shrinkage though, but that's not a big deal to me. My hair feels really soft and moisturized, but yet I can feel the hold there. So I know it's gonna give me at least 5 to 6 days of my wash and go. At least that's what I'm hoping. But I really like it, guys. I think my hair looks pretty good. My hair does feel a little bit more stiff than normal. I think it's because I used quite a bit of the product. I am heavy-handed when it comes to my styling products, guys. I slap it on there. I mean, I used about 2 pumps on smaller sections, and then when I got to larger sections, I used about 3 pumps. So it's possible that I used too much, but the stiffness I think will go away within a day or so. And I'll be sure to take pictures as the wash and go wears throughout the week so you guys can see what it looks like as time goes on. So yes, this is a keeper, guys. This is a keeper. I don't know why I didn't repurchase it the first time that I bought it. It is a really good product. Looking at the end result, I am satisfied. I do hope though that as the days go on, I'll get more volume and the stiffness will go away. But other than that, I'm really happy with my curl definition. I'm really happy with the way my curls formed. They look really nice. I ain't mad at it. But for $23, I just don't know how comfortable I am paying $23 for this styling gel. Don't get me wrong, I had excellent results, guys. I really do. I think that my hair looks bomb. Like, I like it, but I just think that it's a little pricey. I really do. It's in Target and Walmart, so it's considered like a drugstore purchase, and I just think that it's a little too expensive. But you know how the saying goes, you get what you pay for, and when you pay for this, you're gonna get a really good styling product. Maybe one of the best the drugstore has to offer. Before we go, I want to touch on a question that I get asked quite a bit. Do I use a leave-in conditioner? And if I don't, why not? So I personally do not use a leave-in before I style my hair because it's not necessary for my hair. I find that when I use a leave-in conditioner before my styling gel, it tends to take away from the holding power of the gel and my wash and go won't last as long. You guys know I'm a stickler for how long my wash and go lasts. I need it to last 6 to 7 days, and when I use a cream or a leave-in conditioner before my styling gel, I just won't get 6 or 7 days of my wash and go. I'll probably get around 3 to 4 because the moisture and the creaminess of the conditioner takes away from the stickiness or the holding power of the gel. I hope that makes sense. This is just what I do. I am by no means recommending that you guys skip out on your leave-in conditioner. Listen to your hair. If your hair is dry and it's lacking moisture, go ahead and use a leave-in conditioner. I use a deep conditioner or a deep treatment every single time I wash my hair, once a week. So I think that is what allows me to skip out on the leave-in. If you're not deep conditioning your hair and you're just kind of washing and going into your styling products, then it may be more beneficial for you to use a leave-in. But for me, the deep conditioner does the trick for me as far as moisture. So I find that using a deep conditioner or deep treatment once a week gives my hair the moisture that it needs until my next wash and go. Also, leave-in conditioners that are cream based allows for a longer drying time, and I always air dry. I never really diffuse, so I need my hair to dry fast. I mean, I've been air drying this wash and go now for 8 hours and I'm just now getting dry. So if I were to use a cream before my styling product, it would prolong drying time even more. Okay guys, that completes another product review on my Wash and Go series. Thank you to everyone who has been suggesting products for me to try. Keep them coming. Leave those down below in the comment section. And if you're enjoying this series, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Be sure to hit the notification bell so that you can be notified every single time I upload a video, which is normally twice a week on Sundays and Wednesdays. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram, Facebook, Snapchat, and Twitter. I will link all of that down below in the description box. I want to thank you all so much for watching, and until my next one, bye.